Attention, people who still care. How can regular people like us invest in a way that fixes our broken financial system? This is the question we ask on the Crowd Effect podcast. I am your host, Paul Lovejoy, activist investment advisor at Stakeholder Enterprise. On today's show, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is laying the foundation for open banking in the United States. Open banking? What else is the CFPB laying for this open relationship style of banking? But before we get into that, I'd first like to tell a story. Established in 1888 by Charles Rector, Rector's Restaurant in New York City quickly became a popular dining destination for both locals and tourists. However, it was their innovative approach to dining that set them apart from other establishments of the time. Inspired by the growing popularity of cafeteria-style service, Charles Rector introduced a concept that would revolutionize the restaurant industry: the self-service buffet. Prior to Rector's groundbreaking initiative, traditional restaurants employed a more formal dining model, where waitstaff served customers at their tables. However, Rector noticed that diners desired a more interactive and personalized experience. Drawing inspiration from European-style markets and cafeterias, Rector envisioned a space where patrons could freely choose their dishes from a wide selection. In 1899, Rector's restaurant underwent a major renovation to accommodate the introduction of the buffet-style service. The restaurant's layout was transformed, featuring long tables filled with an extensive variety of culinary delights. This self-service arrangement allowed customers to browse the offerings at their leisure and serve themselves, creating a new sense of freedom and control over their dining experience. Rector's Buffet quickly captured the imagination of the dining public, attracting a diverse clientele. Its popularity grew as word spread about the novel and enjoyable experience it offered. The buffet concept not only satisfied the appetite for food, but also the desire for customization and choice, making it a hit among diners seeking variety and flexibility. The success of Rector's Buffet had a profound impact on the restaurant industry. It sparked a trend that would soon be emulated by other establishments across the country, forever changing the way people dined out. The buffet format became synonymous with abundance, choice, and a sense of adventure and culinary exploration. Rector's restaurant continued to thrive, serving as a cultural hub and attracting influential patrons, including celebrities, politicians, and socialites. The buffet experience at Rector's became a symbol of modernity, embracing the spirit of progress and innovation that defined the turn of the century. Rector's restaurant holds significant place in history as the first large-scale establishment to introduce the self-service buffet concept. Which brings us to our main story of the day: the CFPB laying foundation for open banking in the United States. Now, open banking is kind of like having a buffet of financial services where you can choose from a wide array of options, customize your experience, and seamlessly mix and match different offerings to create a personalized financial feast. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is moving forward with plans to establish open banking standards in the United States. In a blog post published on June 12th, CFPB Director Rohit Chopra said that the agency is laying the foundation, quote unquote, for open banking by issuing a request for information on the topic. Open banking is a system that allows consumers to share their financial data with third-party financial service providers. This can be done through APIs, which are software interfaces that allow different computer systems to communicate with each other. By sharing their data, consumers can get access to a wider range of financial products and services, such as budgeting tools, investment advice, and personal loans. Open banking has been gaining traction in Europe, where it has been credited with increasing competition and innovation in the financial service industry. In the United States, the CFPB is the lead agency responsible for developing open banking standards. The agency is expected to issue a proposed rule on open banking in the coming months. Will Director Chopra write the Kama Sutra of open banking standards? Well, not so much. In his blog post, Chopra said that the CFPB is committed to ensuring that open banking is fair, competitive, and protects consumer privacy. He also said that the agency is working with other countries to develop international standards for open banking. The CFPB's move to establish open banking standards is a positive development for consumers. Open banking has the potential to make financial services more affordable, accessible, and convenient. It will also give consumers more control over their financial data, which can help them make better financial decisions. So here are some of the few benefits of open banking. Increased competition. Open banking can help increase competition in financial services industry by making it easier for new entrants to offer innovative products and services. Lower prices. Open banking can lead to lower prices for consumers by giving them more choices and making it easier to compare products and services. Better customer service. Open banking can help improve customer service by giving consumers more control over their financial data, making it easier for them to interact with their financial institutions. And finally, increased innovation. Open banking can help spur innovation in the financial service industry by making it easier for developers to create new products and services. The CFPB's move to establish open banking standards is a welcome step that will benefit consumers and the financial service industry. Which brings us to our financial tip of the day. Use a personal finance management platform. Now, these platforms utilize account aggregation technology, which can securely connect and retrieve financial information from your different financial accounts, such as your bank account, credit cards, loan accounts, and investment accounts. Now, these aggregation platforms can track your expenses. They can provide you with budgeting tools, and oftentimes, because they have all of your financial information in one secure location, it can automatically create budgets for you, which eliminates the hassle of going on some spreadsheet every month and trying to figure out what you spent and what you earned. Also, it provides a goal setting. So you can plan for education expenses, plan for large purchases, or even retirement. Having all of your financial information in one location will also provide you with financial insights. Now, these insights could be, I'm spending too much here. I could be making more there. This investment isn't doing so well, but this one is. All of these things can be helpful and provide you with different financial insights. And finally, it offers such convenience of having it all in one place. You don't have to go to your credit card account. You don't have to go to your bank thing. You see it all in one spot, and you could see what your cash flow is, your net income, and you could see how you're paying down your debt. And it's all easy for consumers to do now. So these personal finance management platforms are wonderful. Mint.com is the original. They have a really wonderful platform. I offer a money management platform that uses account aggregation technology to my clients as well, and many others. Financial professionals use this account aggregation technology. It's a wonderful thing, and it's only going to get better, especially when adopting standards. This allows all consumers to become more financially empowered and financially healthy, just like you would go to the doctor to check your blood pressure and your cholesterol levels, and you go that in one appointment. And you could see how your health is. Well, it's the same. Imagine if you had to check your cholesterol at one location and your blood pressure at another. What a hassle. And this does the same thing with your finances and your financial health. So my name is Paul Lovejoy. I am a crowd investor, and I see you are one too. If you'd like to know the 3 secrets to fix our broken financial system legally, ethically, and without confrontation, go to stakeholderenterprise.com.